Looking for a new home? This might be it. AAG recommends this 2-bedroom condo. Spacious living area. Let your imagination run wild to transform this house. Come home to this amazing view. Enjoy your me moment at this balcony. Cozy dining area. With the right furniture, you can bring out the true charm of this home. Functional kitchenette for those who love to cook. Spacious master bedroom that can fit a good-sized bed. Generous sized lap pool for your full enjoyment. Check out these amazing facilities. Amazing unit, isn't it? Make this your home today. Call our AAG Real Estate Consultant to find out more. AAG, the #1 top division in orange tea and tie.